Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'm going to show you how to get free movies, TV shows, and live TV right on your Amazon Fire Stick. This simple setup will help you cancel your expensive streaming subscriptions and save hundreds of dollars every single month. Let us jump right into it. First, we need to download one essential tool. Go to the search icon on your Fire Stick home screen. Type in Downloader. Select the Downloader app from the list. It is the orange icon with a big letter D. Click Download and let it install. Do not open it just yet. Press the home button on your remote. Now we need to adjust your device settings. Go to the menu icon and select Settings. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, click on About. Highlight the Fire TV device name and click the center button on your remote 7 times. You will see a message saying you are a developer. Click the back button once and open the new Developer Options menu. Turn on ADB debugging. Next, click on Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader on the list and turn it on. Press the Home button and open the Downloader app. Move the red circle cursor up to the URL bar and click it. Type unlinked.link exactly as shown. Click Next to load the page. Scroll down to the download box and click it. Once the download finishes, click Install and then click Done. You can now select Delete twice to remove the unnecessary installation file. Press the Home button and go back to your Fire Stick settings. Select My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. You will see a brand new app called Unlinked on the list. Turn the setting for Unlinked to the On position. Both Downloader and Unlinked must be turned on for this process to work properly. Press the Home button and open the Unlinked app from your apps list. Click the center button on your remote twice to open the keypad. Enter the special library store code, EMDIUTube. Click Next to load the welcome screen. Read the message and click the center button twice to enter my personal TechVibes app store. It is packed with over 50 amazing entertainment apps. To run smoothly any apps in the device, you must use NordVPN. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. A VPN is strictly required to protect your data and bypass internet provider blocks. Select the VPN app inside the store, click Download, and then click Install. Now scroll through the store to find the FlixVision app. Click Download and then select Install. Once it finishes installing, press the Home button and go to your apps list. Open the VPN app first. Sign up for an account using the link in the description or by scanning the on-screen code. Log in, select a server, and click Connect. Once the connection timer starts running, you are fully protected. Press the Home button and open FlixVision to enjoy all your favorite content for free. The VPN will run quietly in the background to keep your streaming experience safe and private. If this video helped you save money, please hit the subscribe button for Tech Vibes. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.